also to show to us. Not that you go to America and start chanting. And imagine that is so difficult. When he was in one of the parks in America, he was teaching, maybe the first press interview came. Well, some of the people, a press person came, and he was something unique. Somebody chanting in America 4 hours like this. Something new, it's the news. So he recorded the news and he was so much stunned. In the article, how many times he wrote Mahamantra, and he said, Swamiji was trying to convince the toughest audience in the world that God is there. So imagine, it's a very difficult thing. Now in India, you go to a neighbor, then you say, oh, Krishna is accepted. You tell him chanting Hare Krishna, it's not very difficult. But Prabhupada is very, very difficult. In fact, today, we are finding it difficult. Now ISKCON is exploding in India. Exploding in Russia, not in America. Acharya Gurukula. It's like a hard stone, Thaki was breaking. Because his faith is so strong, very, very strong. They are very proud people. Not easy to make them go down and to go down to Krishna, which is a religion across another part of the world. So if we can want to be effective, and there is a purity in the force. One thing is that we can see Krishna Shakti Vina Na Hoye Parabhakta. Many times he goes here to prepare our class. We take class in our Gita. But what do we say? Research. Write down nice points. And I ask the people, in ISKCON it's a very advanced rule. It's a very senior rule. They say, best thing is the Krishna consciousness. Not if you analyze, many times people don't hear proper lectures. You just hear proper lectures, just see the pattern. Classes are very simple. Not simple, very simple. Proper doesn't complicate classes. Proper force is good. Believe me when I tell you, I don't know whether you have heard that. Proper Latin in America, but there is in America, he fell sick after some time. He came back to India. And the son in Vrindavan was very happy, the natural, he got back in the health system. Then he went back. He was more into Ayurveda, probably not Ayurveda. And then he went back to America with a huge reception in the airport. Leela talks about it. Devotees were mad to see him again. And when he came back, so in the airport they created a private, the VIP lounge. So they had that room within the airport. Surrounded by all his disciples. So happy to see him again. Naturally, no force. And then they loved him so much. And then Prabhupada said, they started speaking. First line, he said, please believe me when I tell you, you're not the body. It's a very simple point. They said they speak with such conviction. He believed basic things and he not. So always, therefore, the second thing to the first thing to know is that we should have strong sadhana. Make your heart very strong. And second thing, you need to be religious. If you believe in something, you can practice it. But yourself not believe